Australia's annual rate of headline inflation has jumped to its highest level since June 2001. Petrol, fruit, vegetables, building materials, it's all rising and has contributed to the soaring level of inflation in the economy.
Inflation jumped 1.8% in the June quarter, reaching 6.1% for the year, the highest level in 21 years.
These are confronting numbers when it comes to the cost of living pressures that Australians in every corner of our country are feeling.
Over the year to June, the price of building new dwellings jumped 20.3%. Petrol prices increased 32.1%. Furniture prices rose 7%. And food prices lifted 2%.
Floods were a big contributor, particularly for vegetables. So the flooding in New South Wales and Queensland impacted a lot of growing areas. So that caused a shortage of supply.
Trimmed mean inflation strips out the big price jumps and falls in the consumer price index. It lifted to 4.9% over the year, the highest level since it was first measured in 2003. It's the number the Reserve Bank looks at when setting the cash rate.
The market interpreted this, combined with what's going on, of course, globally at the moment and what's going on in commodity markets, as something that will suggest that the RBA won't have to go quite as hard. We still think the RBA goes by 50 basis points in August.
Money markets give a 92% chance to the RBA lifting rates by 50 basis points next week, with just an 8% chance to a 75 basis point rate hike. Edward Boyd, Sky News.